Dubai is a very interesting city to fly in. In this video, I'll show you the path to legal takeoff. First step, get a training from a DCAA certified training center. Here, you'll learn about safety, regulations, and how to fly properly. Next up, register your drone. Create an account at DMS website that I put in the description. Here, you can see the green zones, eligible drones, updated rules, and also tutorials on how to use the monitoring app. Now let's start the registration. You can check out the procedure, delivery time and fees, required documents and training centers. Now let's start. First, let's select your drone. Now enter the drone serial number and flight controller serial number. After that, let's pick the color. I'll explain a bit on the photos. Take one drone photo like this, and this one, just take a photo from the controller. Upload both. It will automatically check for the serial numbers. Okay, acknowledge and submit. Next up is payment page. Once you pay it, you'll instantly get the license. Congratulations! Now that you can fly, remember, fly responsibly. Thanks for watching and have a nice flight.